everyone, it's me Angel, mini vlog. Ipapakita sa inyo ang aking lahat ng makeup po ng aking eyelash. Ito, eyelash. Moisturizing cream. Dalawang face powder. Dalawang face powder 2 and 3. Brusher. Mascara 2, lip balm, blusher, concealer, eyeliner holder, ito pang kilay, lipstick, 2 lip tint. Yun lang pa. Panay ganito guys. Dami pang aking brochure. Ayun guys. Bye-bye. See you in order. Papakita ko lang mamaya ang picture ng mga makeup ko. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.